Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is January 7th. More concerns today out of China. China's stock market sets a new record for trading, well, just 29 minutes before it hits its circuit breaker and halts trading, down 7%. China's currency once again devaluing and putting pressure on global markets as a whole. Our stock market right now, stock futures anyway, trading about 330 lower, finding more pressure. Now, this is concerning because all commodities in general finding pressure today. And when we talk about China and the concerns that they have, it's also putting more pressure on oil prices. Oil went down. Crude oil hit a 12-year low today, and down below this $33 a barrel now. As of right now, we're down $1.12. That puts it at $32.86. So we are down below that 33. We went down almost to $32 at one point overnight, but trying to come back today, but still down $1. It's tough to really find any reason to come in and start buying today. Now, we did have the grains with a nice turnaround day yesterday. This kind of feels that same type of emotion where yesterday you had the very negative attitude early in the session, and things ended up recovering by the end of the session. We may get that again here today. So look for that. We do have the grains near some support levels, but we'll see what kind of attitude we get when we reopen. We had export sales out today. They were pretty poor for corn and for wheat. Corn, they expected 400,000 to 600,000 tons. Came out at 252. Not so good. Beans, 400 to 700, came out at 638, neutral for beans. And then 200,000 to 400 for wheat. Came out at just 76,000. Not good for wheat either. So I'm not surprised that we've got corn starting off down about 2.5 cents. Beans dropped back about 4 cents overnight, with wheat down about 4 3/4. But all eyes are going to be on China. What are they going to do? Are we going to have to see some kind of intervention from their government? And we'll see if we see further action taking place there. Livestock, cattle right now down about $1, maybe a little bit more. That's even with box beef, as I mentioned yesterday, screaming higher. Up again though. Choice up 572, select up 407. Very, very strong as far as box beef. And but cash is king. Where are we going to trade? We're going to trade higher or lower than last week, and we'll need to see if we get some further trade here today. So cutout values for hogs up 45 cents. Hogs right now up more than 50 cents. Very strong on a technical level as far as hogs. So charts look really good on hogs. Things fundamentally, we're probably a little bit overpriced at this time, but keep an eye on that. If we get cattle to set back, that may spill over into the hog market as well. As I mentioned, stock market down 330. Crude oil down $1.12. You got the dollar right now down about 40 cents. So we'll keep an eye on China. That's going to be the primary focus. Give us a call if you have any questions. 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day. Talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.